New English School. Hello student, today we are going to start Environmental Studies Part 2nd Standard 4th Shivaji's Childhood. Birth of Shivaji. पहिल्या पॉइंटमध्ये आपण शिवजन्माविषयी माहिती बघणार आहोत. If you see this picture, the birthplace of Shivaji Maharaj at Fort Shivneri. Birth of Shivaji. Those were very unsettled days. Shah Jahan from the north had dispatched a big army to conquer the Deccan. Pune, the principal town of Shahaji Raje's Jagir, was burned to the ground by Adil Shah of Bijapur. Shahaji Raje was in real trouble. He found himself between the devil and the deep sea and was constantly on the run. आता ते दिवस काय होते, खूप धामधुमीचे होते आणि उत्तरेकडील मुघल बादशाह कोण होता, शहाजहान. याने काय केलं होतं, दख्खन सर करण्यासाठी खूप सगळं सैन्य त्याने पाठवलं होतं. आता शहाजी राजेच्या जहागिरीचं गाव कोणतं होतं, पुणे. आता विजयपूरच्या बादशाहाने ते काय करून टाकलं होतं, पार जाळून टाकलं होतं, बेचिराख करून टाकलं होतं. म्हणून शहाजी राजे अडचणीत सापडले होते. Jizabai was pregnant, and the great question which worried Shahaji Raje was some place where she could remain in safety and peace. Then he remembered the Shivneri fort and decided to send Jizabai there. Shivneri was a strong fort near Junnar in Pune district. It had steep cliffs on four sides, strong fortification and massive doors. This strong fort was then in charge of Vijayaraj, a relative of the Bhosle. He agreed to give protection to Jizabai. So Shahaji Raja left her there and marched against the Mughal. And then the golden day dawned on the auspicious day of Falgun Vidya Tritiya in the year 1551 of the Shakaida, that is on 19 February 1630, to the sound of pipes and drums playing in the Nagar Khana. Jizabai gave birth to a son. All the residents of the fort were overjoyed. On the 12th day, with appropriate ceremony, the child was named Shivaji as the child was born on Fort Shivaji. आता काय झालं होतं, जिजाबाई प्रेग्नेंट होत्या. आता त्यांना ठेवायचं कुठं, आता शहाजी राजांना हा प्रश्न पडला की त्यांना ठेवायचं कुठं. मग शहाजी राजांना शिवनेरी किल्ल्याची आठवण झाली. मग त्यांनी काय केलं, शिवनेरी किल्ला हा कुठे, शिवनेरी हा पुणे जिल्ह्यातील जुन्नर जवळील किल्ला मोठा मजबूत होता. विजयराज हे त्याचे काय होते, किल्लेदार होते आणि ते भोसल्यांच्या नात्यातलेच होते. मग त्यांनी काय केलं, जिजाबाईंच्या रक्षणाची जबाबदारी स्वीकारली. तेव्हा मग शहाजी राजांनी काय केलं, जिजाबाईंना शिवनेरीवर ठेवलं व ते मुघलांबरोबर लढायला निघून गेले. आता आणि तो सोन्याचा दिवस उजडला. फाल्गुन वद्य तृतीया शके म्हणजे 1551 आणि 19 फेब्रुवारी 1630 इथे काय झाला, शिवाजी महाराजांचा जन्म झाला. शिवनेरीच्या नगरखान्यात सगळीकडे आनंद झाला. पॉइंट नंबर 2, शिवाजी's childhood. Shivaji passed the first 6 years of his life in highly unsettled conditions. Even so, Jizabai did not neglect his education. Every evening she would light the household lamps and then call Shivaji to her. She would shower all her affection on him and tell him stories of Rama and Krishna, of Bhim and Abhimanyu. On their occasion, she would recite to him the devotional songs of Namdeva, Naneshwar or Eknath. Shivaji liked to listen to the exploits of brave men. Shivaji felt that on growing up he should also display valor like them. Jizabai used to tell him stories of many pious persons and sons that instilled in him a respect and honor for all sons and great men. Children from poor families came to play with Shivaji. Sometimes he visited them in their huts and shared their simple meal of onion and bhakri with great relish. They invented interesting games to pass the time. The children of the Maulas were like birds in the forest. They would imitate the sounds of the cuckoo or parrot or tiger to perfection. Their pastime was building small forts of earth and making earthen elephants and horses. They played hide and seek or played with a ball or top. Shivaji joined them in all these games and became popular with them. जिजाबाईंनी शिवरायांना काय केलं? उत्तम शिक्षण दिलं. सायंकाळी त्या काय करायच्या? सांजवात लावत, शिवबांना जवळ घेत, मायेने कुरवाळत, त्यांना रामाच्या, कृष्णाच्या, भीमाच्या, अभिमन्यूच्या त्या काय करायच्या? गोष्टी सांगायच्या. आणि कधी कधी नामदेव, ज्ञानेश्वर तर कधी कधी एकनाथांचे अभंगसुद्धा म्हणून दाखवायच्या. शिवरायांना शूर पुरुषांच्या गोष्टी आवडत. मोठे झाल्यावर त्यांच्यासारखे पराक्रम करावे असे त्यांना वाटू लागले. आणि मग शिवाजी महाराज जे मावळे त्यांच्याबरोबर सुद्धा कधी कधी खेळायला जायचे. त्यांच्या झोपडीत जायचे, त्यांच्याबरोबर कांदा भाकरी खेळायचे आणि त्यांच्याबरोबरच गमतीदार खेळसुद्धा खेळायचे. डू यू अंडरस्टँड? ओके, बाय, सी टुमॉरो. Remaining part of this lesson we will take tomorrow.